teen video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Salim. In this video tutorial, we'll discuss project app. So let's create a project. Here the project name. For example, I'm making here project name ERB development. Create. Next, we can add the tasks. Here we can add a column to assign in progress. In different stages we can add from here. So add a column name, let's say designing, or first documentation. Add next one, front-end designing. Next, database designing. And next, backend development. Okay, so if we go to projects in ERP, we have a 0 tasks, and here if I click, we have these 4 columns, and we can add here our schedules or our tasks. Let's go to create a task. Title, say documentation doc task. Project name ERP development. Customer AE company, let's say the phone number and sale order item you can choose from here, and deadline, say 31st of December. Tags, and here if you want to enter some description, here's other info, the sequence number, email, and project visibility to company, and the cover image. Just save and make it front-end designing. If I go back to projects, here we have one task. If I click ERP, in front-end design we have this. If I drag and drop here, now we have one task under our documentation. If I click here, from here I can make the task, say designing part assigned to, we can choose from here the user, so testing user, and make it edit. It will redirect us. Designing partner to our tasks. Okay, choose a customer and assign to user. We choose already. Deadline, I'm choosing 9 of January. Save. It's under front-end designing. If I go back to projects, we have 2 tasks. Let's click in ERP development, one under our front-end designing and one under our documentation. So in this way we can create our tasks in database Designing. Add. Here I didn't put the deadline, so make it edit, put here deadline 30th of January, save, and in backend development let's make it edit. Here I'm entering the deadline 30 April, and let's save, go to our project. Now we have one project and 4 different tasks and 4 different tables, sorry, columns. We can add more columns from here, and we can add more tasks or to assign different tasks to different clients or employees or users from here, or even just simply go to task and create more tasks. If we discuss about reporting, task analysis, here's a by bar chart and line chart and pie chart, reports, and pivot table also available here. By column wise I opened assign to, and row wise let's say task off, or I choose projects. Now we have 3 projects, and that task assigned to, we have these persons, and they have this number of tasks. This user has 6 tasks total, 3 inside office design and 3 is a research and development. This is demo or default task assigned. And here same, we have the quantity, we have total 23 tasks. Under ERP development we have 4 tasks, under office designing we have 9 tasks, and under research and development we have 10 tasks. If I go to project, open this, we have total 8 tasks, 4 and 4. So this is for this tutorial, and next video tutorial we'll discuss about accounting.